Alright, we're on the shot. Hey guys, how's it going? I thought I would share with you guys what I did a couple of weekends ago. I went down to Orlando, Florida. I went to Disney Springs, which is kind of like an outdoor shopping area. We did a little shopping and hung out. It was a pretty good weekend. The next day we went to the beach and ate a lot of good food. But normally I'm on a ketogenic low carb diet, so I don't normally eat like this, but during this weekend I really wanted to try all the yummy foods, and we did, and it was a lot of fun. It was funny though, because it looked like the bottom was about to fall out the whole time. Yeah, spoiler alert, the rain got us, but we still had a lot of fun. Had some color changing nail polish that I was really excited about. It started off like an off-white type color, and then it's supposed to turn like this bright pink magenta type color, and it showed up on my toes much faster than it did on my hands, but I thought that was fun. I wanted to share that. Hanging out at Disney Springs, and it is a windy, but we'll see if we can do some shopping if the weather allows it.
They never do my size.
Have to get some.
Don't leave me, I'll leave you. And if you get bored, I'll leave.
That's Italian.
2 classics and 1 Italian.
And you can.
Adam? Do you want water or anything? Water or anything? Right.
Oh, we got our poutine. Ooh, hot. Pretty good poutine. Everyone's making a mad dash. Rain got us. Rain done got us. Oh, look at that panda. There it goes. Look at that. Well, we're stuck under this awning, and it looks like there's not really many stores that we want to go into on this side. So it looks like we're on the wrong side of the river. You know what? We should have gone into Super Dry. I don't know, I wouldn't say it's super dry in here. The rain out there like crazy. We found where everyone was hiding out. Undercover. We decided to try Guy Fieri's chicken guy for lunch. They were panko encrusted chicken tenders, and we had them with these Cajun dusted fries and mac and cheese. He had a bunch of different dipping sauces, so we just got a few of those. We liked the special sauce. There's panko on top of the mac and cheese, and that was nice and rich. This was the habanero sauce, and it was pretty surprisingly watery. It wasn't my favorite sauce, but it was pretty good. It's not your normal theme park chicken tenders. They were nice and crispy. After that, we had Wolfgang Puck's gelato, and I had mango and white chocolate raspberry, and it was really nice. Is he in there? Morimoto, are you in there? Come on out. We had been to Morimoto a few times before, so I knew what I wanted. Spicy chashu pork ramen. They have an appetizer where they come at the table and they grill some beef on a really hot rock right in front of you, and the table next to us was getting that. The appetizers that we got were pork shumai, and we got crab rangoon, and their crab rangoon are in long logs, and they're really crunchy and nice. And we also got pork belly bao. I had an alcoholic beverage that was like a bit of a punch. It was nice and fruity. And my ramen, I added extra egg and extra chashu. It's nice with a really rich broth. It's not my favorite ramen in the world, but it's pretty decent ramen. And unfortunately, we did not see Masaharu Morimoto. We've been there a few times, and we keep missing him, I guess, unless he's hiding in the back somewhere. but it was a really nice bowl of ramen and a good meal. I had to pick out socks, and I really loved these Rick and Morty socks with the Szechuan sauce. I had to get them. We got a drink at the bowling alley. I think it was like a cherry limeade or cherry lemonade, something like that. It was okay. Bowling montage time. I apologize in advance for my dancing. The next day was absolutely gorgeous, so we decided to go drive to a beach. We went to Cocoa Beach first because we couldn't let this beautiful day go to waste. After swimming for hours at Daytona, we went to Krispy Kreme where they have absolutely delicious hot donuts almost all the time, and it's a bit of a tradition for us to go there after we swim at Daytona. They were so good. Later that night, we went to Hand and Stone and we got massages. We got hot Himalayan salt stone massages, and they were absolutely wonderful. I highly recommend if you've never gotten one. My main takeaway from dinner that night was the fans on the ceiling. I had a country fried steak and it wasn't bad. It was a good ending to a great day. It was a good, fun little weekend. Now I'm back to reality, back to eating low carb again. But you know, reality can be fun too. You have to enjoy every moment in life. That was that weekend, and I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing it and being part of it. Tell me, please, if you want to see anything like that again. I'm down to. I'll just grab my camera next weekend trip. If you also like seeing any of these videos, just shoot me a like, and I'll keep churning them out. All right. See you guys later.